here with Fabspeed Motorsport. We're in a 2009 Lamborghini Murcielago LP640 that a very good customer sent to us. We got rid of the primary catalytic converters, replaced them with 200-cell HJS tri-metallic racing cats, bypassed the secondary catalytic converters completely, and installed a 70mm primary muffler bypass X-Pipe with resonators. We also installed an Evolution Motorsports tune, and now we're going to give you a couple blips.
Right here, they're the stock secondary catalytic converters. There's two of them. The primary cats are up front. What we're going to be doing is removing the secondary catalytic converters, which are not needed. The car will still pass emissions. It will have no check engine lights. So we're going to remove